This is why you need top-notch cybersecurity, because cyber threats are real and they're evolving fast. In today's digital world, cyber attacks are a constant threat. Sophisticated campaigns like the Contagious Interview using malware like OtterCookie show how sneaky hackers have become. That's why Houston businesses trust Impress IT solutions. With 24/7 threat monitoring, multi-layered security, and rapid incident response, we've got your back. Our comprehensive services include firewalls, endpoint protection, email filtering, and data encryption. Plus, we train your employees to recognize scams and handle sensitive info safely. Why impress II.T? We're local, we're experts, and we're proactive. Don't wait for a breach to happen. Protect your business now and grow with confidence. Contact Impress IT Solutions in Houston today. Let's build a secure future together.